Hi everyone, I am back with one more trick in which today we are going to learn how to subtract mentally under 3 seconds. I am going to show different types of subtractions. First, we will learn how to subtract some numbers from base numbers like 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and so on. For example, 100 minus 63. To do this subtraction, you need to remember only one rule, that is all from 9, last from 10. So what we have rule all from 9. So just 9 write it here on the top of the 6. 9 minus 6 which gives 3. And then what you have last from 10. This 10 you write it in last, that is in top of 3. So 10 minus 3 which gives 7. So 100 minus 63 the result is 37. That's it. If you want to do 100 minus 57. So what's our rule? All from 9, last from 10. That is 9 minus 5 which gives 4, 10 minus 7 which gives 3. The result is 43. 2 or 3 seconds we can find out the result of this type of question. Here only one thing you should keep in mind. In 100 it contains 2 zeros, isn't it? So the number to be subtracted should be 2 digits. That is the only thing you should keep in mind. Suppose if we have to do 1000 minus 83. So here number of zeros is 3 and number of digits is 2. So these two are not equal. In this case, how can you solve this? Just simply equalize the number of digits with the number of zeros by putting 1 0 before the number. Now see, if you add 1 0 before the number should not change. It is same as 83 only. And if you add 1 0 here, number of digits will become 3. Here 3 zeros and here 3 digits. Like that you have to equalize the balance. Now you apply the same rule, which is all from 9. So all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 0 which gives 9. 9 minus 8 which gives 1. And the last one 10 minus 3 which gives 7. Like that under 2 seconds we can find the result using this rule. 10,000 minus 768. So here number of zeros is 4. But here number of digits is 3. So in this case, to equalize the balance, you need to add 1 0 before the number. So now the number of digits also same, 4. Now you apply the rule. What is that? All from 9. So you have to take all from 9. Then last from 10. 9 minus 0 which gives 9. 9 minus 7 which gives 2. 9 minus 6 which gives 3. 10 minus 8 which gives 2. So the answer is 9,232. Let's see different type of subtraction. Suppose if we have a number 3000 minus 2458. How can you do it under 2 seconds? So for that you just first you need to check number of zeros. Here we have 3 and here number of digits is 4. It is not equal. So to make it balance you need to change this 4 digit number as 3 digit number. You just write 2000 plus 458. So when you open the bracket, you will get minus 2000 minus 458. And this 3000 also, you need to split into two parts because here 10,000 we have 1, in 1000 we have 1. So to apply this rule, you need to make sure the first digit should be 1. So here also the 3000 you have to convert into 1000 plus 2000, which is equal to 3000, right? So I'm converting this 3000 into 2000 plus 1000. See, this is plus 2000, this is minus 2000, we cancel it. So you left only 1000 minus 458. So here 3 zeros and 3 digits. So we equal the balance. Now you have to apply the same rule. All from 9, last from 10. So 9 minus 4 which gives 5. 9 minus 5 which gives 4. 10 minus 8 which gives 2. So 3000 minus 2458, the result is 542. Let's see one more example. 2000 minus 967. So here number of zeros is 3, number of digits is also 3. Here equal the balance. So you have, and also you need to check the digit should be 1. But here we have 2. So that's why 2000 split into two parts. 1000 plus 1000. Here apply the rule. All from 9, last from 10. So 9 minus 9 which gives 0. 9 minus 6 which gives 3. 10 minus 7 which gives 3. And you need to add this 1000. So 1000 plus 33 which gives 1033. This is the answer. Like that you need to, without borrowing, and simply you can solve this subtractions mentally. Let's try one more. 7000 minus 932. Here we have number of zeros is 3, number of digits is also 3. So apply the same rule. All from 9, last from 10. Before that you need to check 1000 place is in 7. It's not 1. So you need to change that number. So 7000 you can convert into 6000 plus 1000 minus 932. Here you need to apply the rule. All from 9, last from 10. So 9 minus, this is first you need to write 6000 plus do the subtraction. 9 minus 9 which gives 0. 9 minus 3 which gives 6. 10 minus 2 which gives 8. So after adding these two, you will get 6068. Hope you enjoy this content. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel and give your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching.